Turn your baby Brezza Formula Pro Advanced on at the wall and then power the machine on using the power button. Next, select your desired temperature and wait for the gauge to stop flashing. Once all 3 blocks are solid, select your desired mil. I'm going to go for 120 and place your bottle underneath the funnel, ensuring it's as close to the funnel as possible. Next, dispense your water only cycle using this button. Once the water has finished dispensing, grab your bottle and your thermometer, placing the probe inside the water, making sure that it does not touch the sides of the container, and then wait for the temperature to stop increasing. Make sure this is shown clearly on your video.